to our prepared speeches. Online meetings is a great chance to get acquainted with Toastmasters all over the world. We are pleased to welcome today our fellow Toastmaster from India, Vijay Chadha, with his speech from Level 3 of Pathways, a project connect with storytelling, a journey from Adjoya to Sri Lanka. Welcome. Vijay, can you hear us?
How many of you in this COVID-19 has taken an opportunity to see the childhood serials? I got an opportunity of doing so. When I was in my childhood of around 8 years, I got my first television in my home. And at that moment, there is a small story serial that has started, and my parents, for looking at that serial, they have purchased the television. If I have to tell about the story of that serial, you have to listen to me very carefully. There was a king called Dashrath, and he had blessed with 4 baby boys, and he named them as Rama, Lakshman, Bharat, and Shatrughan. And they were the prince. And these to educate them, he has sent them to a Gurukul and asked the Guru to make them the best kings for the future. It took a long time for them to get educated, compromising the kingdom, the values of the kingdom, the luxuries of kingdom, and they have been learning in the Gurukul several disciplines, several organization things, and they had fun with the 4 brothers and other friends. There is a prince who is very dazzling, looking, and his name is Ram, who is the eldest of all the 3 brothers. He has learned a lot that he found as one of the integrity person in that whole kingdom. He never compromises of any values. He never gets emotion. Even though he is a human being, he is the right person, or I can say he is the right valuable king of Ayodhya. Ayodhya is a place in India, and the king has taken an opportunity to make Rama the king of the Ayodhya. But in every kingdom, there is a person who keep on taking and catching eye of making her son also the king of the kingdom. To make the 3rd son for the king, she has played a role of asking a promise to the king by asking his son to be the king instead of Rama, and asking Rama to go for the forest for 14 years. And this is how the theme of journey from Ayodhya to Sri Lanka has started. Rama and all the 4 got married, and Rama with his disciple brother Lakshman has gone to the forest for 14 years and has spent several years in the forest, taking the journey from various places but not staying at anywhere. This went on, and And there were several disciples. How we have in Toastmasters, there were several disciples who follows Rama in each and every place he has visited. The second part comes to the service. Even Rama is thought as a king of a kingdom. He never got a thing that he is the king of the world. He is the king of that India. But he has served as a service to other kingdoms as by giving his best excellency and taking an opportunity. When I have seen the story of the serial in my childhood, I was just thought it was a good story. But during the COVID-19, when I tried to see being at home, working from home, when I was seeing the serial again back after I can say 20 years or 25 years, this was this was something crazy for me. I could now understand how integrity that story is, how service has occurred, how was the respect given to the king Rama with other people, and there was an excellency in each and every stage. Now this reminded me with the four core values of Toastmasters, and this is how it impacted me to understand and think, if I can gain the same four core values of Toastmasters, I can definitely become a leader tomorrow and make sure that I can I can take these core values and become a king like Rama and have so many followers with me. Friends, this story is not only for India. This story is not only for a religion. This story is actually taught as the best human resource story, where you can find all aspects of getting emotional intelligence, getting your work done, getting organized, having disciplinary, and everything. To get this story read to you, I can suggest an author name called Devdutt Pattanaik, who is the chief briefing officer of one of the organizations, and he is an author. With this, I hand over the stage or the speaking area to our Toastmaster of the day.